Hi, welcome back to Buy Forever. This is a video on the Z80 homebrew computer that I've been building, just show some progress. So I moved away from breadboard, just having a lot of unreliability in connections. So transferred to prototype board. What I've got here is just a Z80 CPU, a ROM, it's got nothing on it. It's effectively just NOPs, no operations. There, so I just point probably with tweezers. Got an LED on the M1 pin, and bottom one's the green LEDs on the memory read. Some 10k resistors to 5 volts on the NMI and interrupts pins, just to hold them, pull them up to 5 volts. Up in this corner, just got a 5 timer, which is debalanced in the manual clock, so there is no auto clock on this, which hopefully will change very soon. This here is the reset button. Just a LED on the clock, and then first 6 dress pins on the dress bus. I've got so first 4 are blue LEDs, which are quite bright, and then the next 2 are just yellow ones. So do a quick demo. This, if we press power on the bench power supply, so press the reset, give it 3 resets, clock pulses, and you can see the address pins there, or the LEDs on the address bus, counting up in binary, because basically it's executing no operation, so the program counter just counts up, and there you go. So it's, as it is there, it's not a bad CPU tester. It will also be better when I get a proper clock. But yeah, I didn't show really. Oh well, we'll do. I'll show you the wiring on the back. It's just terrific. I did actually change. I've got so these bigger wires here. They're like multi-stranded. Just turn that off. They're multi-stranded wires. So I'm having all sorts of problems with them. Just when you solder it, they flatten out at the end, and it just goes everywhere. So I moved to, and you probably can't see it, but started to use this sort of single stranded wire, which is a lot better, and these are a lot thinner as well. This is 30 AWG. So this, although I'm not sure how far I'll take this prototype, I may well just start building up on another board with the thinner wires. It'll just be a lot, and these are also an advantage of single. So this is PVC insulation as well, so when you bend it, just stays where it is. Whereas I think these hooker wires are like silicone, so they just bounce all over the place. You can't keep them in any particular position. So yeah, just thought I'd show you the progress on this, and hopefully at some point in the future you'll start executing some real code, and that'll be pretty cool. Obviously there's no RAM chip in here. There's like a socket for that, and I put a socket in for logic chip as well, probably a NAND gate I'd put in there just to control chip selects and things. But as I say, I might just cut my losses and switch to a different board. Anyway, hope you like that little update, and bye for now.